Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is Sunday. It's a beautiful day, and today is we're going to the Victory Liner. I will send some package to my family guys na nabili ko sa mga supermarket, and yeah, so uulitin ulit natin siya i-packaging guys para safety talaga. So let's do this. Hi guys! Back to video again, and now we're here at the Bactam Mall of Asia and tayo sa parking lot. Mag-wait tayo ng parking kasi ang daming tao today. Yeah, it's because the Sunday is a family day kaya maraming tao, and for me, it's a chill day also after a week na busy. So now, chill day tayo guys, and enjoy your Sunday guys with family. Yeah, okay. Guys, waiting tayo ng parking, ha? Balikan ko kayo later. Bye! Guys, may nakita akong akala ko available yung parking. Hindi pala. Meron palang naka-park na bike guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Ayan guys. So, diba? Akala ko lucky na ako eh. Kasi makakapag-park na ako. Hindi pala guys. Anyway, isa ka lang. Yeah, waiting pa rin tayo guys sa parking, no? Yeah, we got parking. Yes, thank you kuya. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, we got parking now. Ay, thank you Lord. Thank you Lord. Yeah, we got parking guys. Malapit siya sa sa exit guys, diba guys? Ay, salamat. Ganun lang, diba? Waiting lang tayo guys, ha? Siya. Pumunta ako dito sa MOA. Gusto ko mag-start dun sa pinakadulo bago na mag-end tayo mag-walking, diba guys? Kasi para sulit, diba? Ay, tingnan nyo guys, yung buhang. Ayan na. Guys, sunset! Oh, ang ganda. Ang ganda guys. Ang ganda guys ng sunset, oh. Ganda. What a beautiful Sunday. Looks like I want there. Parang there, sarap.
Ang sabihin nila, ikaw pa rin ang mahal. Just can't
Hi guys! Back to video again. Yes, ginabi na tayo sa likod ng MOA guys. Kasi ang napaka-happy naman kasi ng likod ng MOA. Ang daming tao, nakaka-enjoy tingnan. Ang dami ding mga bata na naglalaro guys. And basta ang daming tao, kaya na-enjoy ako, ginabi ako sa paglalakad. Hindi ko na nga pansin na ayan, 9 o'clock na, 'di ba? Pero still alive pa rin yung mga tao sa likod ng MOA. Nakaka-enjoy talaga silang tingnan guys. Yeah, enjoy your dinner guys, and salamat sa pagsama sa akin today. Let's go. Pasko guys. And guys, di ba? Ang sesen, dahil pa rin tao. Hindi naman holiday guys eh. Guys, ayan o. Wow. Ika'y akin lang. Tama, dito na. Yeah. Alive, alive, alive forevermore. Alive, alive. Hi guys, finally nasa bahay na tayo guys. Grabe ang traffic talaga no. And siguro may concert, I'm not sure, pero ang traffic. And anyway, it's ganun talaga kasi Sunday, 'di ba? Weekends kaya traffic talaga. And almost uwian na rin naman guys. Kaya siya, magandang gabi guys and enjoy sa dinner niyo guys and have a blessed Sunday everyone. Salamat ulit and bye bye. Good night guys.